In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bending picture caption layout in Excel. This is a quick, polished way to pair an image with a curved caption so your worksheet looks more professional and easier to read. You'll use a built-in SmartArt picture layout, so there's no need to draw shapes or manually align text. Start with your worksheet open and your picture already placed on the sheet. Click the picture once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the sizing handles around the image, and the Picture Format tab appears on the ribbon at the top. If you don't see that tab, click the image again or make sure you didn't click a cell by mistake. With the image selected, go to the Picture Format tab and find the Picture Layout button. It's typically in the Picture Styles group and opens a gallery of layout options. On some versions of Excel, especially on Mac, the tab may be labeled Picture instead of Picture Format, but the Picture Layout button works the same way. Hover over a few options to preview how your image would look without committing to a change. From that gallery, choose the option called Bending Picture Caption. Click it to apply. Excel converts your picture into a SmartArt graphic using that layout, which adds a curved text placeholder designed for your caption. Don't worry, your original image remains, but it's now wrapped in a layout that keeps the caption neatly aligned and styled. Now add your text. If a text pane appears on the left that says "Type your text here," click there and enter your caption. If you don't see the pane, click directly on the caption placeholder near the image and start typing. Keep the caption short and descriptive so it fits well along the curve. If the text feels cramped, reduce the font size or shorten the wording. You can adjust the font, size, and color from the Home tab, or use the SmartArt Design and Format tabs to change colors and styles for the entire layout. To fine-tune spacing, drag the edge handles to resize the SmartArt, or move the whole graphic by dragging it to a better spot on the sheet. If you want to preview different looks, try SmartArt Design. Change colors or pick a different SmartArt style, and use Undo if you don't like the result. That's it. Click the picture, choose Picture Layout, select Bending Picture Caption, and type your caption. With just a few clicks, you've created a clean, curved caption that makes your worksheet more engaging and clear.